Today's assignment is 6.7 exercise and calories. We're just going to jump right into it. So what the work today is going to be is you're given how many calories a person who weighs 250 or 150 pounds is, and then you're going to have to find out how many calories a person who is 100 pounds and 200 pounds respectively, how much they would um, how many calories they lose as well. So in this situation, we have the average number of calories spent by a 150-pound person who rides a bike 6 miles per hour is 240 calories. The calories spent by somebody who's 100 pounds is going to be 1/3 fewer calories, and somebody who's 200 pounds is going to be 1/3 more. So what I want you to focus on is for the 100-pound person, we're going to multiply by 0.67, and for the 200-pound person, we're going to multiply by 1.33. So 0.67 is 67% of the 150-pound person's calories. So we've been dealing with a lot of percentages. So we subtracted 33% from 100, and you get 67%, which is 0.67. And then for a 200-pound person, they lose 33. They lose 33% more than the 150 pounds. So we add 33% to 100, which gives us 133%, which is multiplying by 1.33. So if you look here, the 100-pound person, you would say 240. So for 100-pound person, you would do 240 times 0.67, and that gave us 161 calories. Whereas the 200-pound person, we would do 240 calories times 1.33, and that gives us 319 calories per hour. So we're going to do a couple of exercises together, and then you'll be able to go from there. So what I want you guys to do is you're going to multiply everything in this column by 0.67. So everybody that's 100 pounds in the 100-pound column gets multiplied by 0.67. And then the answer gets written down. Everything for the 200-pound person is going to get multiplied by 1.33 because it's at 133%. And that's everything in this column. So I'll go right into it. 650 calories for running in place. We're going to multiply that for the first column by 0.67. And we're going to round it to the nearest whole number. So 650 times 0.67 is 435.5. So I'm going to round that up to 436. And we got to always put our units. So calories per hour. And that's our first one. So a 100-pound person is going to burn 436 calories per hour. Now a 200-pound person, we're going to multiply it by 1.33. So we multiply 650 times 1.33, and we get 864.5, which we're going to round up to 865. So 865 calories per hour. Do not forget your units. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to multiply the first column by 6.67, 67%, and the second one by 1.33, or 133%. So running for 10 miles per hour burns 1,280 calories per hour. So we're going to multiply that by 0.67, and that's going to tell us how many calories a 100-pound person would do, and that comes out to 858. And we don't forget our units, calories per hour. 858 calories per hour. And then to get our 200 pounds calories per hour, we multiply by 1 1.33. So 1.33 times 1280 is 1,702. So 1,702 calories per hour. And we'll do one more. So for swimming 25 yards per minute, for an hour, you burn 275 calories per hour. So we're going to multiply that by 0.67 again for the first one. And we get 184 calories per hour. And we're going to multiply it by 1.33 to get our second answer, which is 366 calories per hour. And that's our answer. I'm going to pull over the worksheet. This is what the worksheet's going to look like for you guys. If you notice, the first three answers are all the same, so you have 5 more to do. In this column, I put it in here, multiply everything by 0.67, and in the 200-pound column, multiply everything by 1.33. You guys should be good. Have a good day.